everybody. Today I shall be teaching you a topic which is rarely included in our English grammar syllabus. But we have to bear in mind that without this topic, English grammar will be stagnant. So what is the importance of this topic? It helps us to know better how articles work, how noun phrases work, how the various types of determiners work. So the name of this topic is determinative. Determinative. So determinative, what are these? Determinatives are words or phrases that gives us additional information. So this additional information shall obviously be related to some persons or things or places or events. So what are the headings under which we want to know the information? We want to know the information regarding the quantities, regarding the proximity or closeness, or how close one part of speech is with that of another, or how one of the functions of grammar is closely related to another function or another part of speech. We want to know about the definiteness, and most importantly, determinatives help us to know the relationship about a verb phrase or noun phrase, and it must be in the present participle. So I'll just give you a little hint about what is the meaning of present participle. Just blindly remember that any action word like eat, sleep, drink, with those if we add ing, and the new word which we get is the present participle. Okay, so eat, eat, it is the present tense, and if I add ing, that is eating, which becomes eating, so eating is the present participle. Okay, now we have to remember that determinative is not a part of speech or a word class, but it is one of the important functions of English grammar which helps other functions of English grammar to work properly. So what are these? So there are 7 grammatical forms that can perform their work as a determinative. So what are those? Number 1 is noun phrases, number 2 is articles, number 3 is possessive determiners, number 4 is interrogative determiners, number 5 is demonstrative determiners, number 6 is quantifiers, and lastly numerals. So you can see that bearing the noun phrase, the rest are types of determiners, and noun phrase is such that it is introduced by a determiner. Determiner, that means it is a part of noun phrase. Okay, but determiner is not a type of noun phrase, but the rest from articles to numerals, these are the types of determiners. So a determinative is a word or a phrase which helps us to know about the quantity, proximity, definiteness, and relationship of various phrases. And how do we know this? We can know this with the help of noun phrases, articles, possessive determiners, interrogative determiners, demonstrative determiners, quantifiers, and numerals. So as you can see the board, first of all we will see noun phrases which work as determinatives. Okay, so we have to bear in mind that only the possessive noun phrases can work as a determinative, and also the possessive pronouns. Now what is this possessive noun? So I have written a formula for you so that you can easily remember. Possessive nouns equal to the normal nouns plus noun phrase plus possessive clitic, clitic. So in our dictionary language, clitic is known as apostrophe s or s apostrophe. Okay, that means anything which we add apostrophe s, it becomes a possessive noun or possessive pronoun. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the examples. You have to remember that we can use noun phrases for any types of sentences. It can be interrogative, it can be declarative, it can be declarative positive or affirmative, it can be declarative negative. So let us see the examples. The first example is, do you enjoy children's literature? So our sentence is ending with the note of interrogation, which we colloquially know as the question mark. It is an interrogative sentence. So here our possessive noun is children's. Number 2, my brother's hand is fractured. So it is a declarative sentence. Here the possessive noun is brothers. Number 3, your t-shirt's logo is beautiful. It is a declarative sentence. And here the possessive noun is t-shirts. So number 2 and 3 along with be a declarative sentence. It is a positive sentence which is also known as an affirmative sentence. AFFIRMATIV. Next we have, the company's plans are not clear. So it is a declarative sentence where the possessive noun is companies, but along with being a declarative sentence, it is also a negative sentence because here we have used the word not, not. Moving to our next segment, so you will be seeing that the placement of apostrophe s is various and varied or varied sentences. So come to the word children. Children itself is a plural noun. So if we have to tell about the possessions of many children, we have to add the apostrophe after the word n. We cannot write children's then apostrophe s. It is wrong. We have to write children, then put the apostrophe, then write the s. Then brothers. So it is a singular noun. So it is the normal method of writing the apostrophe. After the word ends, you put the apostrophe s. Similarly, it is the same for the word t-shirt. After writing the entire word t-shirt, after T, that is the last alphabet, put the apostrophe s. Coming to the last example, companies. It is a plural noun, so the singular spelling is COMPANY and the plural spelling is COMPANIES. So after NIES, after S put only the apostrophe. Similarly, we can see the rules which I have written in right hand side bottom. Suppose the singular, the word is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. So in this case, if we have to show about the possessive noun, we have to add apostrophe plus s after the last alphabet, that is F. Coming to the plural, as I told you about the word children. Next is how to write plurals which end with s. Suppose the plural word is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So in this case, we have to write the entire word which is in plural, that is L-E-A-V-E-S, and after the word s we have to add the apostrophe. We will not add an extra s or es. So in my next class I will teach you about how articles can be used as determinatives. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Do keep posted. Do write your comments, your suggestions. Thanks a lot.